Kevin Gixxer versus Kawasaki. Beer fucking bikes coming down here, guy. I don't know what the fuck this is, but crews are coming up the road. Holy fuck! Oh, it's on the way back. You know that, right? It's on the way back. You know that. It's gonna be fucking nuts. It's on. Fucking white boys, I swear to God. Holy shit! We might actually have to get the fuck out of here, yo. What? We might actually have to get the fuck out of here. The last time I came out here, this old man came. His bike's fast. Yeah. Holy fuck. What's he got done to that?
I'm not sure.
I gotta race that. Yeah. Is your bike stuck? What the fuck you got in there?
It's stuck.
Holy shit.
Hey, you have to ride out first gear a lot to get a good mark.
Yeah.
I go to the track, right?
Okay, okay.
Hey, I even got a stock pipe on it.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna race you.
With carbon fiber.
I'm gonna race you down, but not on the way back up. I don't like coming back up this way.
No, because that corner at 240 stuff.
Yeah.
I gotta get long.
Yeah. He races, right?
Oh, is it?